series, we'll be talking about control structures. We'll be talking about how your program will make decisions during execution. So, first of all, let's start with conditional statements. So, we're just going to say that conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Okay? The actions which your program is going to take will be based on the condition which your program is trying to fulfill. So, PHP conditional statements, very often, while you write your code, you might want to do different things at every different point in time. So, in PHP, we have some conditional statements. We've seen just one of it previously while we were talking about operators. And here we want to talk about the if statement. So we have if statement, which you have if, that's the conditional statement. And then we have another, which is called if else. If else, that is, if this condition is not fulfilled, then run the else. And then you have the if else and else. So if, you can also have if else. So, and then you have the else. Now, this statement would perform or would meet three conditions. The first condition is this which you have in this block of code. And then if the program doesn't meet this condition, it comes to this block of code. And if it doesn't find the condition here to be true, then it executes this block of code. So let's say, for an example, we write a program that wants the user to be 18 years above. So we can say that it should get, so we can say 18 years above. 18 years above have assets. So here we can say if it is less than 18, then we can say echo you need to be 18 years plus. Okay? So if the age is greater than 30, we can say, if we remove this block of code, let's go with if and else first. So if the age is less than 18, you tell the person that you need to be 18 years plus. But if the age is not less than 18, that means the age is greater than 18. Then we're just going to say, welcome on board. Okay? We could just say, welcome on board. So, this is going to check if the applicant is 18 plus. So, how can we do this? Let us declare a variable here and call it age. Age. And let's say that this person is 13. Now, if we refresh this page, you see you need to be 18 years plus. But if we increase the age and say 21, and then we refresh this page, you can see welcome on board. So this is a conditional statement, and we just executed one. Now, let us run a program that checks if the age is less than 18 or greater than 45. So let's say if age is now greater than 45, we will tell the person that you are too old to participate in this offer. So you are out of age range. Okay, so let's just say sorry, you are out of age range. So now let's say the age is still 45, you still get welcome on board because the age is not less than 18 and it's not greater than 45. But here, let's say the age is 65, and then we refresh our page. You see that we have, sorry, you are out of age range. You're too old to participate in this program. So this is what conditional statements help you to achieve. It helps your code to make decisions based on the conditions. So that is how the if statement, the else if statement works. Now, there are other conditions which we can actually see, like the switch statement. Now, I want you to understand something. The switch statement is used to perform different actions, just like the if and else if. So, instead of, sometimes you might want to use the switch statement, which is very similar to the else to the if statement. The switch is similar to the if statement. So let's see how switch statements work. So here, let us say that we want to write a switch statement, and then the variable, we're just going to make the variable age, okay? And then the case, we can say case age is less than 18. Then if age is greater than 18, if age is greater than 18, so let's refresh, we have 20, and here we have welcome on board because the age which we are passing into this variable is greater than 18. You see that? And if it is less than 18, let's say we have 12, let's say we have 12 years here, and then we refresh this page, we are getting you are too young. So this is how switch statements work in PHP. So sometimes along the line in your code, you might actually want to consider using switch statements instead of if statements. They always look more presentable and more precise. So thanks for hanging on. See you in the next one.